Welcome back to another video, guys. Create your own avatar using just your phone. No fancy software needed, no fancy equipment, just apps on your phone. So for this video, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth with that, how to create your avatar, what prompts to use, and how to make it talk and gesture and look lifelike. Sit back and relax. Trust me, this is so easy. All you will need is your phone. As I said, no fancy software, and it's all free. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is head on over to Piclumen, and I'm going to show you how I created this avatar. And it is my favorite app to use when I'm creating my avatars. It's just, to me, the best out there, super easy to use, and so beginner friendly. So what you are going to need is your text to image prompt. So here in my notes, I have saved all the prompts that I use to make my avatar. And it just says, create a realistic full body image of a beautiful African American woman in her early 30s, natural curly afro hairstyle. And, if you need help making your image to text prompt, go to ChatGPT and it will help you. So we're going to paste that in the description box, and you can add, take away, adjust, and put anything you want to make your image however you want it to come out. So after we, make our adjustments, here I'm putting, she's wearing black pants with the purple shirt. And after I do that, I'm going to go to advanced settings, and you will see that those three lines there in the description box, you're going to click on that. And here you can select the batch image, how many pictures, images you want it to generate at a time. You could have, it goes up to 4. For this one, I'm going to do 1 at a time. Then you go to aspect ratio and you could select the size of the image that you want. I picked the 16 by 9 for YouTube. Next, you are going to go to image reference, and what this does is eliminate the need to do the face swap. So I usually use the face swap with Remaker AI, but with this, you won't need to do that. So you go to image reference and you are going to upload a picture of yourself. And once you do that, when the picture generates, if you want your avatar to resemble you, that's what that does. And again, it's so amazing because you won't need to do, use any face swapping software to make your avatar look like you. And here where it says strength, you can adjust how much you want the avatar to look like you. To look slightly like you, somewhat like you, or completely very, closely like you. So I'm just adjusting that. And after I do that, we're going to go here and you see where it says seed. This number is very important if you want your avatar to have a consistent, cohesive look to them. You're going to copy the seed number when you generate an avatar that you like. And each time you generate one, what that number does is make all your avatar look the same and have a consistent image. So no matter how many times you change up the description or what actions they're doing, they will look somewhat the same. And there is our avatar that we just generated with all the information, the prompts that you can use again, and the seed number. So after we do that, we're just going to download that. Next, we are going to head over to Hailuo AI, another one of my favorite apps to use. So what we are going to do with that picture that we just downloaded is turn it into a video. So we're going to click on image to video. And here we're going to give our avatar movement, facial gestures, hand gesture, and just make it look more realistic. So after I upload the picture there, I'm going to go into the text box and then head on over to ChatGPT where I've already generated some movement, hand gestures for my avatar. And ChatGPT is amazing if you need help to write those prompts. So I'm just going to paste that in, and then you want to go down and select the model. So we're going to select the one that says live. Then we're going to hit generate, and they have the free and paid version of this. So after we do that, we're just going to wait, and it doesn't take that long. I would say like under 5 minutes, like not even less than that, maybe 1 or 2 minutes or less. It goes really quickly. So after it generates that, look at our avatar. She's smiling, she's moving her hands. She just looks realistic, and that is just amazing. Again, one of my favorite apps to use to do the image to video prompts. It's just amazing and so beginner friendly. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and do that image to video prompt again. So I'm going to upload a different picture of the same avatar, but this time she is standing next to the bookcase, and I'm going to head on over to ChatGPT again, and I'm going to show you how you just write in something simple like help me create some facial prompts, or help me create hand gestures, or facial gesture, any kind of gestures you want your avatar to do. Just type that in, and Chat GPT will do the rest, and you can edit, you can add on, and just create everything to your specification, and you can save all these prompts and use them again for when you create different avatars. So after I finish writing all my prompts and picking the one that I want to use next, I'm just going to copy that and then take it into Hailuo AI. And again, ChatGPT just gives you so many options: emotion-based facial gesture, sad, reflective, angry, frustrated, just so many expression that will bring your avatar to life. So after copying my next prompt, I just paste that into the description box and do the same thing that we did for the first one. Make sure you select live and then generate. And here is our avatar again, so amazing. So after we've finished turning all our images into a video and given our avatar the movement and the gestures, I'm going to head on over to DreamFace, and we are going to give our avatar a voice. All right, so once you're in the app, you are going to click on video lip sync. So after you do that, you just click on the video that you want, and there's so much you can do here. You can change the background. You can, it gives you so many options. You can upload your own background. There's a green screen, or you can keep your original background. It's amazing and so beginner friendly. And I just love playing around with it and seeing, the different ways I can improve my avatars and all the new tricks and tips that I can learn to just make my avatar more lifelike. So after we, select our background, or if you want to keep your original background, now we're going to go to voice. They have lots of voices that are available on the free plan. But we're not going to use any of those voices. I'm going to show you guys how to record your own voice to make your avatar sound more like you. So after clicking on my voice, you're going to see this pop up. You can either record your voice, import from your photos, or your files. So I already have two of my voices recorded, and I clicked on that. Now, after doing that, you can either record what you want your avatar to say or text it in or import it. I recommend recording instead of using the text and the type box, and I'm going to show you guys why. So there I'm recording what I want my avatar to say. After getting everything the way you want it, you just hit animate and let the app do the rest. Hello, welcome to my channel. Hello, welcome to my channel. And that turned out amazing. Now I'm going to show you what it sounds like if I had typed it in. Hello, welcome to my channel. Hello, welcome to my channel. Hello, welcome to my channel. See the difference? If you type it in, it gives you a more robotic type of voice versus if you record what you want your avatar to say directly, it sounds more natural. So here are all my different image to video prompts on my avatars talking and gesturing. And like I said, these apps are so beginner friendly and all you need is your phone. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. As someone who is new to AI myself, I'm constantly looking for ways to learn and improve. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe and that share button and turn on your notification bell so you can see when I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching and go have fun making your faceless content.